So before we start, you have to realize that if you are using the techniques I am showing you in my videos, you have to accept that you are a person that manipulates women. If you are okay with this fact, we can start. So the first thing you need to know is this: if you want a woman to think about you, you have to control her subconscious mind. If you want to know everything about this topic, and especially the 4-word question that puts the wrong stuff in her subconscious mind, but every guy uses, click the link in the description to see a full 1-hour presentation about this topic. You will also be able to receive emails from me in the next days that will help you to transform yourself from an older guy to a seduction god. But let's start with the good stuff. So how to put thoughts in her mind. So if you were telling her to do something, like go on a date with me, she will be able to say no. You said something and she will be able to say no, really easy to understand. But like I said, when triggering her subconscious mind, she can't say no, because you did not say something the explicit way. Here is the same sentence with a little bit magic in it. Say something like, I will not ask you to go on a date with me now, because I want your desire to happen on a natural way. So, the brilliant stuff with this sentence is this: she can't say no because you did not told her to do something, but, and this is where the magic happens, the word because makes her subconscious mind feel something like authority. Another way is to only give her options that are an advantage for you. Ask her something like, should we date on Monday or Tuesday? This is not a question that you can answer with no, because nobody asked for a freaking yes or for a freaking no. She and her subconscious mind are only able to choose a day. So I hope you like this tips. If you are ready to unlock your full potential as an older guy and like to become a seduction god, your first step should be to watch the free 1-hour video I linked in the description. It's about popular mistakes guys make with women. By putting your email address in, you will also be able to receive my very powerful emails the next days, that filled up with a lot of content